Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today looking at this 2012 Peterbilt 386 4-axle dump truck with the rear lift axle and 20-foot max lane dump body from Haul Lane Manufacturing. Got about a 30-inch gap there between the bed and the cab. These trucks are more set up for California. Other states we could add another lift axle to the front as well, where this one you get a 60,000 even road legal GVW in all 50 states, including California. So on this one we did a steerable lift axle. On the back here we got a Hendrickson steerable lift axle, new suspension, used axle, all aluminum rims. This particular truck normally hauling about 17 tons with the concrete body on this one. We could do a lighter body and you get about 17.5 tons, and that's with the ISX 15 engine. So this has a big block engine in it. Obviously if it had a smaller engine you could get some more weight on there. We got the hitch plate with the D-ring, reverse lights in the back. This is a high lift tailgate as well, just the cylinders inside that rear post. Electric tarp. We got the lifted fuel tank. So on this, and this wheelbase is approximately a 244 wheelbase, right around there. When we order these new with the 20,000 pound front axle, we order them about 2 feet longer. But since this just has an axle with the upgraded front suspension and 315 tires, we don't recommend running these that heavy. So that's why we did the truck a little shorter, did the inside hoist instead of the outside hoist. Saved some money there, but it's definitely a nice option compared to a regular 4-axle Super 10. A regular one with the ISX 15 engine in it, you're hauling about 16 tons with the regular rock body on there. We do have a weight saving rock body where you get 16.5, and then with this wheelbase and this particular bed that's set up for concrete chunks as well, you're getting 17 tons. If we went with the sand and gravel bed, about 17.5 legal load here as it sits. But you can see plenty of room for another lift axle right there. Jump in the cab. Got the PTO mounted on the dash right there. It's our basic mechanical control package, high lift tailgate, electric tarp, and the tailgate controls. Got a 13 speed in this one. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thanks for viewing our video here on another custom truck that we put together. We just got a lot of options on these trucks and a lot of different beds to choose from. You can visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.